And it's going to be that way for the next few hours, and things should calm down a little bit. So right now, we do still have a severe thunderstorm watch in eastern Ohio, and that does include everything from Newark all the way out to the Pittsburgh line. And there are some embedded storms in here that are even stronger. The orange that you see here from Newark on up into Mount Vernon and Zanesville up toward Coshocton, those are severe thunderstorm warnings. I'll show you those in just a second. The eastern half of Ohio has a chance for scattered severe storms over the next few hours. So that is part of why we're going to stay weather aware over the next several hours. You see these going in an unusual direction. In Ohio, most of what we get comes from the west or northwest and goes to the east. This is pivoting around a low pressure center that's to our south. So that's why it seems to be coming in an unusual direction. It's just coming around the low that's in a different spot. In the meantime, severe thunderstorm warnings are scattered around the area. Zanesville has the potential for 1-inch hail, even inch-and-a-half size hail out of this. That's headed up into Coshocton County. So that's why there's a preemptive warning there. In the meantime, strong storms right over Newark with the potential for 1.25 inch hail there, and that stretches up into a warning in Knox County. What's in the east side of Columbus is headed up toward Westerville and then into west central Delaware County. So 61 right now, rain at the airport, wind out of the west at 10. Your D.R. Horton America's Builder current conditions in Zanesville and New Lex at 59. Same thing in Marysville and London. So here go those storms over the next couple of hours, and then they weaken enough that it's just garden variety showers for the overnight. But you see how that's all still kind of going east to west, and then it begins to pivot around again. That's because it's coming around that low pressure center. It's going to keep us wet for the night tonight. By 8 o'clock, we're at about 56 degrees, and your overnight low tonight will drop to 49. So some showers, some isolated thunder. It's going to be a damp, chilly night for the night tonight. Another low-pressure center scoots through the Great Lakes for the daytime tomorrow. So you've got one down here, you got another one up here. We're kind of in the middle of those. So you see the whole thing kind of pivoting around during the daytime on Tuesday. That's what's going to keep us wet. Then on Wednesday, we quiet down a little bit. Some high pressure tries to build in, and that's usually what gives us beautiful blue sky and a nice day. This one may not be quite enough to scour away all the clouds, but things will improve a whole bunch. Not expecting anything severe on Tuesday, and not expecting any storms at all on Wednesday. So we have some improvement coming. 49 tomorrow morning. Make sure you've got a good raincoat with an extra layer or two. It's going to be a chilly, wet start to the day. 61 in the afternoon, and you're still going to need rain gear into the evening. Your high around 62. It's going to be chilly and breezy. For your daytime on Wednesday, some improvement. We'll call it mostly cloudy. You're going to see some sun at times, but it's not going to be a beautiful sunny day. You'll still have some clouds to deal with. The temperatures, though, climb above average at 72. Cooler